Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and kept going after the camera stopped and actually tore into the rear wheel. Got that all de-spoked, got the hubs off. We got a lot of polishing of aluminum to do. All right. One note that I didn't show you guys, in order to get all the spokes off of the rear wheel, you are going to have to remove your rear sprocket. And that's very straightforward. I will show you how this all goes in a future video. It's not rocket science, all right? It's just a stack. But I'll show you here shortly how that all works out. Here are those rims. Might tear into those tonight. I don't know. Trying to see if I got the energy. But what I am going to do is get some parts laying in EvapoRust. For any of you who watch the channel, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan of EvapoRust. It works really, really well for rusted parts. And today I want to try something. This is a little bit older EvapoRust. It's been through some parts already. So I'm going to try and filter it and see if I can get a little bit more legs out of the EvapoRust. And to do that, I'm going to get my little filter funnel. These things are actually pretty cool. There's a little filter built right into the bottom of them. Screw them on. They've got an on and off tap on the bottom. So let's see if filtering EvapoRust makes a difference, all right? So, yeah, let's do it. All right, so I'm going to just try it like this. It's off right now, the funnel. So we'll just fill the funnel, fill it with some EvapoRust. You'll see what I mean here. Stuff's pretty dark. But let's open the filter, and let's see if this actually is going to help at all. All right, I think we can just dump it in. You get the idea. Just submerge these parts a little bit more. Oh yeah, the funnel definitely slowed down, so we're pulling a lot of particles out, which is good. And yeah, we're gonna have to be patient here for a little bit. All right, there we go. Parts fully submerged in EvapoRust. It didn't lighten the color of it very much, but these are heavily, heavily, heavily corroded parts. All right, like look at this. Right, if EvapoRust can even give me a chance at making that look respectable, EvapoRust for the win. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do, guys. So much work to do. We're going to dive into these rims. We're going to be diving into these hubs. I got to get this hub apart. That thing's being a little bit of a bear cat. Got to polish that chrome. And we've still got a giant shelf full of motorcycle parts. Here's my progress part. Yeah, that thing, that heat shield's still shining like new. Got to go through the air covers and all of that. And ordered paint for all of the black parts. All the black parts are primed and ready to go, guys. Oh, lot to polish here as well. So, you know, it's parts, one piece at a time, guys. But we made progress today, and we're going to do this. Let's let the EvapoRust do its thing, and let's see how it goes, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the support on these videos, man. I absolutely love the comments. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up on the videos. It means a lot, keeps it going. I really want to see this video project go, you know, all the way. You know, I want the last video in this series is to be like GoPro footage of like jumping a ravine or something in the 1972 CL350. All right. Follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. And until then, you guys have a great day. Keep on wrenching.